Hello everyone, I am just going to discuss the explanation part of poem that is Money Madness, that is being written by D.H. Lawrence. Money Madness. What does the name signifies? Money Madness. Money Madness मतलब पैसे के पीछे पागल होना. This poem revolves all around how people are mad after the money. Okay, I will be explaining the difficult words side by side with the stanza part. In first stanza, there is a word called multitude, जिसका मतलब है large number of people. The another word that is insanity. Insanity means किसी चीज़ के पीछे पागल होना. Okay, now the first stanza here says, it emphasizes how unusual importance is given by man to money. It is because of our madness to accumulate more and more money. It does not only happen at the individual level, but it happens at multitude level. मतलब the people, it is everyone is involved in accumulating so much wealth, right? And everyone is mad after earning the money. So first stanza is done. Now I'm moving to the second stanza part. There is a word called pound. Pound is a British currency. The second word is a pang. Pang means a sudden feeling of pain, right? And the third word is quail. It means showing fear. And the fourth word is growl. Growl is to crawl. Okay, as per the second stanza, according to the speaker, one feels pang or sadness in the heart when one gives £1 note to someone. It may be out of generosity or anything, but although it is a noble deed, but one feels very bad when he is giving that money to someone, right? And if that £1 turns out to be £10 note, one started feeling terrible, and a person, it is very difficult for that man to take out the money, even it is for noble deed. People are so much mad for the money that they are not even ready to give a single penny for anything. Okay, now moving to the third paragraph. I don't find there is any kind of difficult word there. Now moving to the third paragraph, it is not necessary we are terrified of. Okay, but in the true sense, it is not the money actually we are terrified of. It is not the money that is having. In second paragraph, although the poet tells that money is having full control on us, but as per the third paragraph, it is not only the money that we are terrified of. It is only the mankind because of which we are terrified of. It is collective money madness of mankind. So as per this, only people in the society, you see the people in the society are only going to respect those people who have accumulated enough wealth. They are going to only respect them, and a poor being is not going to be respected by that people. Although according to the people, a person is worthy enough to be respected only when he is having enough money. Okay, if you are poor, people are not going to respect you anyhow. They will let you eat the dirt and things that poor people, let the poor people die in the cold weather. So the poor people are generally being treated in the inhuman way. People with the money might give them bread to eat, but in return, what poor people need to do, they are to beg and eat the bread. Here the poet says that if according to the fourth paragraph, now here the poet says, if he has no money, it may happen that rich people may give him a little bread to eat, but he knows very well that he has to eat dirt and beg them so that they give him bread to eat. To the explanation part of remaining stanzas, Now the poet says that he is quite feeling afraid. He is basically in the state of confusion. Now why he is feeling afraid? He is feeling afraid because such madness for money might result in world going completely insane. Insane matlab pagal hona. And the last stanza, so according to the poet, we should keep a little money with us. Why should we keep little money with us? In order to save ourselves from eating the dirt. Right? So, as per him, bread, shelter, fire should be free to everyone, not to a single person, but to everyone all around the world. We should use our wisdom and don't run after money. If we keep on running after money, there will be problem for us. Otherwise, what problem we people will be having? We will start fighting or killing each other because of the money. Hello everyone, I'm just going to discuss the explanation part of poem that is Money Madness, that is being written by D.H. Lawrence. Money Madness.